This will be putting like 300 when it works right. It's Naoki's motor.
Yeah, you bought it?
No, I'm borrowing it.
Oh, okay.
I don't have any money.
Sick.
Hence why my car doesn't work. There's definitely like a benefit of having an exciting car that you can push your driving, and then there's also definitely a benefit of having a car that you can just drive it whenever you want. It's much more fun just taking your stock S13 and driving the shit out of it. A lot of people think that Naoki's car that he brought to the US is like some crazy fucking cheater machine. It's a fucking stock S13 with a SR with bolt-ons, dude. It's more fun to push yourself as a driver than push your pocketbook.
Single